are going to make lamp post. So let's start. Delete the cube. Now add the curve, Shift A, curve, and we'll add the path. Rotate it to Y axis RY90. Go to front view. Now press tab for the edit mode. We'll give a shape to this. Now we'll extrude this one. Press E and extrude. Again E and extrude up. E and extrude this way. We'll extrude it down. Select the curve from the properties. Go to geometry and select increase the depth. Resolution we will make it 2. Now go to active spline. And resolution U will decrease because we want the low poly. And uncheck the smooth. Okay, now I think whatever I want is this correct. We'll copy this. So for the later reference. And now select the curve, go to object and convert to mesh. And now press tab for the edit mode. So now this one is converted to mesh. Now select this edge and press F to fill, and we'll make it scale. We'll make it pointed. Scale down. Now let's make little broad from here. Select the loop and fill and scale little big. Now let's make a lamp. We'll hide this. Shift A, mesh, cube. Scale it to x-axis, SX and SY. I'm going to duplicate this cube, Shift D. We'll scale big this cube, scale up. Go to front view and now let's add the loop, Control R. At the end, select the faces and right click, extrude face along normals. Go to top view and right click, extrude face along normals. So now this is correct. Go to edit mode. Now we'll add more loops, Control R, 2 loops. Now SX. Go to left view, Control R, SY. Now Control R and down, one more Control R and Control R one more time and this much. Now go to face mode and select these faces. And press X and click on faces to delete faces. Now select the top face, press I to insert, and press E to extrude. And press S to scale down little bit. Now Control R and add 6 edge loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now go to left mode and press add 6 edge loops, Control R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 edge loops, Control R, as Z. Again here Control R and 2 faces. Go to face mode and select alternate faces. Now press X and delete faces. Now let's check the random color. This is our lamp. Let's add loop. Now let's add solidify modifier. Select the lamp, go to modifier tab, solidify and increase the thickness. I increase the thickness 0.9. So I give a thickness 0.1. Now let's add the hook here. Shift A, mesh and torus. Make the major segments 16. Let's move this first. faces. Now let's hang the lamp in the lamp post. Take a plane, shift A, mesh plane, scale it big. Now press 0 for the camera angle, and let's set the camera. Press N, view and camera to view. Now let's give material. Select the post, go to the material, give the name wood and color. Go to material view. Now let's give the material to the lamp. It is metal and 060606. Reduce the roughness to 0.3. Select this one. Give the name as light. Select the emission. Make it yellow. I set up the light. One light is here and that color is white. Power is 300 watt and that shadow is check. And the other light is this one. The color is little bit yellow. Power is 200 and uncheck the shadow. So from the top view, I set light like this. I arrange the scene. Now let's do render settings. Press Z and render. Go to renders, select the render engine Eevee. Check the ambient occlusion, check the bloom and check screen space reflections and check the reflection also. Now go to render tab and render image. our rendering is done, and let's save the image. To save the image, go to image, save as, and give a name of render and save as image.